not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you.
Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's Danielle Naomi, and in today's video, as you can see from the title, I'll be showing you how I installed this gorgeous wig from Megalook hair. They went ahead and sent me this number 1B 22-inch 5x5 lace closure wig on a dome cap. So it is 100% glueless, and in today's video I showed you how I did my glueless install, how I did the baby hairs, how I straightened and all that. So if you'd like to see how to get your Megalook wig looking just like this, just keep on watching. And as always, the links will be in the description box if you'd like to purchase. I did make a TikTok video on this if you'd like to go ahead and check it out. And let's jump into today's tutorial.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you way. You don't really want to. I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. 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 Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket low. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you way, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around. I want you around.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me one fix. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see why your heart I see. Come, baby, come, try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Ready? Too many twists and turns, girl. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, come here, I too fry, I get burned. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, she just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and squeeze. You used to say you didn't know love. I used to say you need to grow up. I know you know. Say you want to touch it up though. And I know, you want wine fast and you wine slow. Remember the first night when you get freaky, when you get naughty. Before that we are chill with Noel and party, a down and party. Yeah, your body was so clean. You did a weird verse on. Back it up high, you look like your body drive me. Oh, God. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease.
Okay babes, so I'm finally back and this is the finished look. This wig is from Megalook hair and they went ahead and sent me this Glueless 5x5 lace closure unit. It is on a dome cap, so it is definitely 100% glueless. I am loving the length of the closure. It's everything along with the hair. It's not too thick, it's not too thin, it's just full and perfect, like that perfect density right there. The hair is really lustrous and shiny. I'm living. Okay, I went ahead and I did just clip up the ends because there were a few pieces that were longer than the actual 22 inches. So just so you know, you are getting your full length, true to length, and even possibly more. I love the hair. It looks jet black, but it is a natural 1B color, so it eats like she's giving. It was so easy to install. Plucking this wig took me about 15 to 20 minutes, and that's because I wanted to get like just some fine details going on with this closure unit, and I was just going back and forth watching videos of just other people plucking just to see what I could do different, and I feel like it turned out pretty well. Like, I feel like I ate that. So the links for this wig will be in the description box for you to purchase below, and without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.